Welcome back to Google class. Dear students, today also I'm going to take Indian Penal Code. Okay. Here, abatement of suicide through dowry demand. Same section 306 of IPC. But the subdivision abatement of suicide through dowry demand. Okay. In dowry death case, the wife had committed suicide by burning herself in the kitchen. There was harassment of the wife for outstanding items of dowry, but the demand was met and the matter settled 1.5 months. Okay, 1 year 6 months before the incident. It was held that in such circumstances it was unsafe and unjust to invoke the presumption of guilt against the accused. Here his conviction under section 306 was set aside, but under section 498A was upheld. Okay, and another example where a newly wedded wife, unable to bear the harassment from her husband because to bring money from her parents, set herself ablaze, ablaze, and the accused husband stood nearby, not trying to save her. Okay, standing nearby only, but is not saving her. It was held that before the court held that the accused was guilty of offence under section 306. His acquittal was set aside. Okay, and another reference, there was a history of continuous harassment, one history of continuous harassment, assault and torture by the husband and mother-in-law of the deceased wife, okay, who was driven to the verge of committing suicide. The deceased died of burns injuries, and from the circumstance it was not clear whether it was an accidental case or suicidal case. In such circumstances, the acquittal of the accused husband from the offence under section 306 was confirmed, but acquittal under section 498A was set aside. Okay, only this provision 306 only confirmed. And another example, the husband poured kerosene on his wife and set her ablaze. In this situation, her dying declaration, she did not implicate her husband also. Here there was no proof of ill treatment or cruelty on the part of the husband either. Okay, mere insistence on cash instead of dining table, but it would not amount to demand of dowry. Okay, that amount. In this situation, the court was held that his acquittal from the charge under section 498A and 306 was proper. Okay, this is what saying this video class. And another example, then it is easy to understand. Maltreatment of wife, the same 306 only, maltreatment of wife. Many people are treating is entirely different his wife. Okay, in modern days also this is a main big issue before the many family courts. Okay, so here mere stray instance of quarrel between husband and wife, or the evidence that at times the appellant used to consume liquor, drinking habits, okay, consume liquor, cannot be termed as abatement as defined under section 107 of IPC. In this circumstance, it cannot be said that the accused or appellant, here this accused or appellant, because this case was passed by the appellate court also, so instigated or abated the deceased to end her life, and that being the position is conviction under section 306 of IPC, is not justified and therefore liable to be set aside. Okay, where husband maltreating and beating wife for not conceiving and wife committed suicide, here the husband is liable to convicted under section 306. There is no evidence of any physical harm having been caused by the appellant to the deceased, nor any acts of mental cruelty committed by him. Hence the appellant cannot be held guilty of any cruelty within the meaning of class A explanation under section 498A IPC. Hence the accused acquitted under section 498A and 306 of Indian Penal Code. Okay, this is maltreatment of wife. Another example in this above heading, maltreatment of wife. The accused husband, here husband is a accused, okay, and is a drunkard, always ill-treated his wife and beat her and imputed unchastity, unchastity, unchastity. The wife in quarrel set herself ablaze and died. The husband along with others attempted to stamp out flames. The conviction of the accused for murder was set aside and he was convicted under section 306 of IPC. Okay, in this situation the police officer filed a case murder 302, but after proving all material evidence, the court was passed under section 306 of IPC. Okay, and another example, a married woman died of burns. Okay, died of burns. Here no injury was found on the front trunk of the deceased. Sorry, it was held that if she had poured kerosene on herself and ignited it, the front of the trunk would not have remained unscathed, and it will not be so if another person had poured kerosene on the head from the back. The defense case of suicide, this defense case was suicide, okay, was rejected, and conviction and sentence of the accused under section 302 of IPC was not interfered. Okay, okay students, this example is enough for 306 of IPC. Okay, this session is closing now. We will meet you again next section, next video class. Bye students, take care, all the best, see you.